high school is in a department store. The location is very different. I have never heard of another high school in a department store. We've had to adapt, and it works most of the time.
I think the first couple months were fun, but then it kind of was like, wow, we're not going to be living that high school experience that everyone else is having.
The walls do not reach all the way up to the ceilings, so it gets pretty noisy. I'm definitely hearing math when I'm in a literature class, which is weird.
Our main problem here at BHS is the windows. If you see here, there's no windows, and that could get people triggered, not seeing the sunlight.
This is where people would shop for clothes, and now it's our orchestra, chorus, and band room.
It's right near downtown, so it's pretty easy to get to.
That's much smaller than the old school, so it's easier to get around and get to class in time.
We have escalators, but they only work like a solid third of the time. So it'd be nice if we had them working the whole time.
From artwork to circulation patterns to how students connect, I think we actually are learning a lot, and I take that from the experience as a real positive.